Welcome back to our channel, and we're the Chery Sisters! Since Thanksgiving is over, it's Christmas time. One of our favorite traditions is an advent calendar. What's an advent calendar, you ask? It's a calendar with a little surprise in each day from December 1st until Christmas Day. Our parents fill it up with all sorts of goodies like candies, small toys, and lip balm. Remember the one we made last year with toilet paper rolls? Yeah, it was really fun to make. I know, it was. Let's switch it up a little bit. Why don't we use goodie bags and a hanger? All you'll need is a strong hanger, a star, a trophy, some string, 25 bags, and some garland. First, we're gonna wrap the garland around the hanger, like this. Make sure to take the garland around the top. Can I please have a turn? Sure. All done, let's move it to the side. Let's start on putting the numbers on our gift bags. I'll do the odd, I'll do the even. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay, let's get to it. I'm done. What about you? I'm done. Close up the bags. You can stuff your bags now or later. I'm all done. I'm all done. We cut the string to be in different lengths so it can be a shape of a Christmas tree. It doesn't have to be in this shape of a Christmas tree. It can be in any shape you want. I'll take the shortest string in the number 1 bag. First, you're gonna take the string, put it in the string of the goodie bag, and tie a knot in the middle of the hanger at the top. Like this. This is how we make the knots. You put the string together. Wrap it around your finger. Then tie it in. Then make a knot and tight it. Now take the 2 and 3 and put it on the side of 1. Like this. Oof, that took a lot of work. At least we finished. Look at it. Let's put the star on. Boom. Doesn't this look cool? I can't wait to have all the surprises inside. We want to know your family traditions. Please comment down below. Remember to like and subscribe to see more. Bye! Have a jolly Christmas!